First, register to secure some free AI credits. Then choose what to make. Start up the editor and wait for the AI assistant. Premium users can change the number of pages, set a speed, and add a voiceover. If you were not sure what to make, click the drop-down. A rave at Hogwarts is a popular choice. I am going to make a promotional video for Genolve. I am also going to specify some colors and image style. When finished, some images may still take extra time to load. The AI selected music will play. To change the music, click the music note icon and select a different track. To change some text, click it when it appears in the animation. Click the edit icon and enter the new text. To change an image, click it when it appears in the animation. Change the prompt and generate new images. Select the best one. When everything looks good, click the Save button. Expect to wait double the time duration of the animation. The video appears with the cover image just below it. Click the Redo link to change the cover image. Then click Download.